myself Muhammad Yamin Muhammad Yasir from PHS Reed.
My name is Jyoti Bari.
Now we are presenting our slide for the school innovation marathon. Is we have prepared by preparing a water purification system. Our men our mentor is Makwana Rakesh Kumar Jasabhai, and we are two members in our team, myself and Jaydeep. We saw problem of clean water, finding clean water around our city, which is a major problem for all the people across the city. So we saw that people are struggling to get clean water every day. So we both decided to make something that which we can use for getting clean water. And this problem is very big. Because it affects all the people, nearly all sections of the country, and whether they are poor or rich. Current alternative for these problems are RO purification system, which is too good, but too costly for the lower section of the country. So we designed a water purification system which will be able to fit on the water tap. It will consist of 4 layers. First layer which will be of coarse cloth. The material will be a coarse cloth like cotton cloth, cheese cloth or mesh cloth. The purpose of this first coarse cloth layer will be that it will act as a pre-filter, removing large particles such as leaves, dirt and debris. And thickness of this layer will be smooth, loosely packed, because the water can easily pass through it. Second layer will be of fine cotton cloth layer. It will be made of fine cotton or muslin fabric. It will catch the finer dust particle or anything which will be missed by the first layer. Third layer will be activated charcoal layer. Activated charcoal layer will be stored in a cloth bed. It will remove the chemical and bad odor from the water, which will pass through the filter system. It will be about 0.5 inch thick and will be put in a pouch. Fourth layer will be a fine cloth layer, which will be act as a final precaution, which will remove all the dirt particles which was not cleaned by the upper 3 layers. This solution is based on the idea to overcome the difficulties of getting clean water from tap. The solution helps to get clean water from the tap with basic and easy to use system. It can be easily fitted to any tap by its customizable size of the tap mouth. It is way cheaper more than the alternative. Existing market solution. RO system, UV water purification, carbon filter, etc. are the existing solution for filtering water. Superiority over other existing solution. Our solution has a unique design as well as very good design, less space and less taking time for fitting than other existing solution, and is affordable for all the people. This unit can be easily operated and fitted by only one person to any of the tap water. Our customer will be a household, small businesses in the region where the water is more contaminated by the dirt particles. The unit will be made of the space of the unit will be made of a 3D printer, which can be operated by one man. This case of the unit will be made from recycled material. All the layer will be made up of cotton cloth and cheese cloth which will be purchased from the market. will require 5 type of item and material which will cost around 180 rupees for the one unit. Our team are, as I told further earlier, that we are 2 members, myself and Jaideep. Jaideep collected the information regarding the need of clean water and how can we solve the problem from the people. I gather the information regarding the material which will be used in the filter making process. After gathering the information regarding the exact problem of the people and the material which will be used, we started preparing for the design of the filtration unit. We made some changes in order to make the unit more easy and convenient to use. Thank you.